Namaskar, good afternoon, everyone, and hello to all the audience who have joined from different parts of the world. We at Federation of Indian Industry welcome you all to this historic celebration of 75th Independence Day of India, and the day when we not only remember the sacrifices those war heroes made for the country, and they got us what we actually enjoy now, the freedom. With freedom comes lots of responsibility, and every Indian citizen is duty bound to take this cause of advancing the country's missions, country's objectives to various part of the world. And we at Federation of Indian Industry, which is a premier industry association acting as a link between the industry and the government. We welcome you all to this webinar, which is to celebrate the 75th year of India's independence. We believe in creating opportunity for businesses to build the nation, as the motto of the Federation of Industries, creating opportunity and building nation. And this is how Federation of Indian Industry is contributing to the economic development of the nation. Federation of Indian Industry, with its global network of NRIs, people of Indian origins, is working in many countries for strengthening the bond between India and its diaspora. And we also come out with a monthly newsletter which has a circulation in around 145 countries. More than 30,000 people are receiving this newsletter, FII India News. And the main focus of the Federation of Indian Industry is in the areas of enabling global footprints, strengthening Indian diaspora, promoting Make in India initiative of the government, reviving, assisting the government in reviving MSMEs, assisting in ease of doing business in India, and helping the state governments in coming out with business friendly state industrial policies, and parallelly working on entrepreneurial skill development and advising on tax and other laws of the country. The vision behind FII is to make India an economic superpower, and FII is committed to support the cause of Indian governments in achieving $400 billion export, which has been very recently set by the Honorable Commerce Minister. And this FII, with its multiple domestic and international chapters, is committed always, along with the industry leaders, successful business persons, lawmakers, to advance the cause, to advance its motto, creating opportunities and building nations. And I take this opportunity to welcome our chief guest, our guest of honor, Major General G.D. Bakshi, to this webinar, and all other learned friends who have joined from different parts of the world. I extend very hearty welcome to all of them, and we hope to continue to work together to build the nation in and contribute in our way. And with this, I would now like to invite Shri Deepak Jain, who is the founder and Director General of Federation of Indian Industry. Before asking Deepak Jain ji to address, I would request the moderator to run the national anthem and request everyone to stand in honor of the national anthem.
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय। चलिए,
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for joining me in national anthem.